Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix avatar is not showing on VRChat. So if you are facing this type of problem, then here is how you can fix it. This is actually an issue caused for network connection. So you have to check your network connection if it's stable or not. So make sure that you are playing with a stable connection, or otherwise you can restart your Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable on your PC, or you can restart the Wi-Fi system or the network system on your PC. Then you can try it again. So if you have simply click on of this from here, if it's like if you are changing any like any character here, if you click on it, then here you can see avatar is changed. So if it's look like this, so that means it is actually take some time to loading or downloading the file that related to this character here. For example, if I download click on it, so here you can see it will look like this, just because of it will take some time to load. So that's pretty much all thing. And also there is something more I'm going to show you. You have to simply if you find this all for this, you have avatar clearing enabled. So if users look like this image below, you will want to adjust your avatar clearing settings. For that you have to go to settings and select this avatar clearing, so hide beyond. You can set the meter when you can set it like hide except the nearest. So you can simply click on those two buttons, and you can find that all of characters are now loading on, or the avatar are loading on VRChat. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.